Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about this one. The first thing, we need to divide both sides by 1 plus x squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that this one next to y, so that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. The integration of this one, that is about negative ln of 1 plus x squared. Because negative, that is about negative number 1. So I will put negative number 1 go inside about natural law in here. So we can simplify and we got like this. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over 1 plus x squared. This one, that is about x. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.